No. We're gonna be making chicken soup for Rosh Hashanah because we have a bunch of family coming over. So let's get into the video. We're gonna take the chicken and bone. We're gonna put it into this big. We're gonna put it into this big pot, and then we're gonna fill it with water. Can hold 24 quarts. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump this in. So now we're just gonna be taking separate pans and pouring them into the big pan, because we figured that if we put it all in water, it would be very hard to take out of like the sink. We're putting all the water. We're gonna put salt and pepper in it. We're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna put the temperature on high. So as you can see, we already put the top on, and the stove is on high. And once it gets to the boiling point, we're gonna like turn it to medium-ish, and then we will see you later. I'm gonna introduce you to all these vegetables that we're gonna put into the chicken soup. So this is broccoli, as you probably know. This is leek. This cilantro, fennel, and tomato, celery root, kohlrabi, and jalapeno. Oh yeah, this is the carrot. That was celery. Yellow. Parsley. This is the Veggie Power Bomb that we are putting into our soup. So today we are also going to be using turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory. But today we've discovered it, so we are going to use it today in our chicken soup. So this is another one of our special ingredients, dried papaya seeds. They look just like peppercorn, so nobody will notice, and then it helps to detoxin. We are going to be making matza balls from the brand Straits. This is what the box looks like. Now we're going to start cracking 3 white eggs. Yeah, we're each going to crack 3 eggs. Okay, so now we're going to stir that up with our forks. Now we're going to add the oil and mix it in with our eggs. Wow, look how cool that looks. I will be adding 3 packages of the matza. Now we're just going to slowly add them.
That's fine.
This. And you should see it starting to become a little thicker when you mix it. You want to make sure you're starting to become thicker.
And it's time to add all our Veggie Bomb. All nutrition and all vitamins all goes in.
You're going to add the big vegetables. Here, so split it in half.
Let me help you.
Delicious and nutritious.
Delicious, nutritious.
You okay, Babi? Hurts. Get some cauliflower. bunches of celery, parsley, and dill, and then we're just gonna put it in. So now we're just gonna continue putting the rest of the vegetables in. So we're just gonna finish putting all these vegetables in.
And some Brussels sprouts.
So we're gonna put this in. So now we're gonna be covering the vegetables and the chicken. And then we will see you guys when that comes up.
I'm starving.
I'm starving! Oh my god! Ooh, they're looking pretty good. How about look how oily my hands are. Oily hands, Cameron.
Almost done?
Yep. Almost. Bobby, this one's mine, okay?
Okay.
Cameron, you can't have my mini matza ball. That's hot.
Why you put the small spoon?
So do you like it?
Yes. Hot.
Delicious?